So I had a YouTuber just ask me how to teach him how to play Dixieland. The first thing I have to do is say, I can't play Dixieland. I'm not good enough. There's a chord change or a note change in there that I just can't do fast enough. And there's probably a workaround. People that play banjo, like professional, like real players, they do a lot of things up here that I've just never been able to do. I'm basically an Elvis Presley style player. I know 2 or 3 chords, and Elvis never did anything fancy on the guitar. If you ever noticed, I think I've been told he only played about 3 chords, as did most people in rock and roll. But what I can tell you about Dixie is there's a lot of it that's pretty easy, and then you get to the part that's not. Like the easy part is, oh I wish, oh I wish. Now I haven't done a thing with this hand yet. Oh, I wish I was. Now that's the first time that I fretted anything, and I fretted the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. So it begins with, you playing, and this is in standard G tuning or relative G, and basically you're hitting the 1st string, oh, 2nd string, 3rd string, wish I was, and that's where you put the hammer. And then you go to the 2nd string, in, and that's 2nd string open, and then you fret the 2nd string at the 1st fret. So far all you've done with this hand is this one, you fretted the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and you fretted the 1st string on the 1st fret. So let's go through that part. And this is just the 1st string open, and then the 2nd string. So basically you've done only 2 things with this hand so far. You fretted the 3rd string 2nd fret and the 1st string, 3rd string 2nd fret and 2nd string 1st fret. Now that's the part I can play. The part I can't play comes after that. So I'll play that, and then we'll go to the part that I can't play. Now this is a C, which is basically you've got a 1st string, 2nd fret, 2nd string, 1st fret, and 4th string. And this is, so that's the part of Dixie up to the look away part, which is the part I can't play. So let's just do that. Now this is the part I can't play. The look away part is look, look. That goes all the way to the 5th fret. Look, 7th fret, 9th fret. So it's so that's the 4th string. So from there you have to go. You see where I come into that, and maybe you don't, but this part where you go from here, so that happens like almost in one, land of da 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 da. That part of getting my fingers way up here, I just can't do. Now, I won't even try to explain how professional players do it, because I'm not a professional player. And from that, probably I could play the rest of the song. Let's just see. Da-da-da. And the part after that is 5th string fretted. No, 1st string fretted at the 5th fret, and then 1st string open, and then 1st string fretted at the 5th fret, and then 1st string open. So that was just 1st string, 2nd string, 1st string. is 3rd string at the 2nd fret, 2nd string open, 3rd string open. So I can play that whole song except for, which I can't play because I can't move my hand that fast and I'm not that good a player. That may or may not have been helpful, but it may be that if you can kind of figure out the rest of the song, your hands are good enough to do that. And the only reason I made this video is because you asked me to. Now, I hate to do nothing when someone asks me to do something. And I could have done nothing, which would be like pretending that I knew, but I was just too much of a jerk to tell you. Or I could have made this video to explain what I can do, what I can't do, why I can't do it, and how maybe you can take what I can do and can't do and use it to learn. You know, maybe you can do that. Or maybe you can find a workaround. Like people who do that, they get up here and they do. See, they do this all this up here. They could do like 2nd string. Then I've never been able to figure that out. I know there's a way to do it. I'm not a good enough banjo player to teach you. When you're watching my videos, just to lower your expectations. I don't know if any of that was helpful, but there it is. I hope you have a good day and by golly, I hope you have a good day. That's all I can say. I mean, that's all I got to say about that right there. Love you. Appreciate you.